If you're losing 1 pound a week, that's fantastic. If you've lost 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds and you have a week where you didn't lose anything, that's fantastic. You have maintained and kept off that weight. See, we only want to compare ourselves to other people when it's convenient to put ourselves down. Think about that for a moment, because we always compare ourselves to people that are above us. But consider comparing yourself to the past you. Like whether it's been weeks or months and you've seen results, you've seen results. And if you really want to compare yourself to people, in most cases, people only gain weight. They never lose weight. And then on top of that, if you're losing weight consistently and keeping it off, then you're doing a good thing. And you're doing things more extreme, I would say, or it's not so ordinary, so we call that extraordinary. You're doing things that are fantastic. The only thing is we have to let our mind catch up, and you have to understand you're doing a great job. So let it be.